Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Please turn on y'all bell so y'all can be notified every time we post another video. And we are making homemade spaghetti for these children today. So yeah, we are making homemade spaghetti. So yeah, let's cook this spaghetti. Hope y'all are having a wonderful and blessed day, because I am. What about you guys, there? You having a good day? Say yes. So yeah, y'all. Season my meat. One of my kids' favorite food is spaghetti and chicken spaghetti also. They love chicken tasting thing. Slap your mother season on this. I can't remember when the last time I got on camera and made something for y'all. It's been a while. We're gonna make these spaghettis up. Don't put that kind of thing for me out there. Don't put that in the garbage. Being a YouTuber is a lot. It's challenges. But I can really say I enjoy being a YouTuber. Learning how to edit my videos is a challenge. Being consistent is a challenge. Trying to come up with new ideas for y'all is a challenge. But I'm really enjoying it. I really am. I'm enjoying every bit of it. Yeah, I got some new supporters, new subscribers. So thank y'all. And to my old babies, thank y'all too. But I am loving being a YouTuber. Yes. So, you know. Now I'm just getting through cooking my meat. So yeah, my meat is almost ready. And yeah, I'm about to put it in a pot with this one. So we're gonna get ready to drain this meat. Stop it now.
Honey.
added my noodles and meat together. So now I'm about to mix this sauce up, and yeah, we're gonna put this spaghetti together. So now I'm about to take my bread out the stove. As y'all can see, my bread is ready.
2 hours later.
Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Please turn on y'all bell so y'all can be notified every time I post another video. And I hope y'all enjoy watching these spaghetti and cornbread. So yeah, y'all have a wonderful and blessed day, and we're gonna see y'all to the next video. Peace.